If you're watching this, make sure you follow my boy, share all the stuff, subscribe, share it with your people, man. He's the voice of the streets, voice of the community, voice of business, voice of black culture, man. Make sure y'all listen to your boy.
Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do. We done made it here to this first stop out here in Green Hills, Tennessee. Right now we doing this Acura. Not 100% what model this is, because y'all know I be in the groove of things, but this is an Acura MDX A-Spec edition. She got her new car. She used to have like I think she had a Toyota. Yeah, I think she had a Toyota. But like always, we coming in here to do your typical, we get rid of this typical debris, which I say dog hair is a part of being typical debris. If you see it, got a lot of dog hair, a lot of rocks, pebbles, things like that. So we're gonna go in here and make sure we do the job efficiently. But other than that, you know, it got a little dust because like I said, it's one thing about all these new cars got all these panels. So with all these panels, man, you gotta do all this wiping because it's like real shiny black plastic. So you always wanna make sure you get that done correctly. Cup holders, things like that. She got a baby, she just had a first child. So that's cool. Got this panoramic roof. We're gonna knock that out. We're gonna make sure we get all this dog hair out, clean the car efficiently, and do all that, man. But I hope y'all have a great day. I know when y'all see this video, it won't be Memorial Day, but today is Memorial Day. So I hope y'all enjoying y'all day, or you did enjoy your Memorial Day. And on that note, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and work on the interior first. I got my man Cal out here with me today. He came out to do some work with me. So we're gonna work on this interior, knock it out, knock out this exterior. We got 2-3 more cars to do, and then we done for the day, man. Like I said, I'm always on the grind. I'm always ready to make your car shine. Hit us up at 615-485-8449, or go look at us at Your Way Mobile Car Care, or go check us out on Instagram at Your Way Mobile, or you can go on Facebook, check us out at Ty Hines. You already watched the YouTube video, so you know that channel is called TY38TV. And you can go check us out at True Lounge TV. That's my podcast. We just dropped another episode. And you can also go check out my kids at Young World TV. But I'm going to go ahead and do what I got to do. And on that note, like I always do what you got to do. And I'm going to catch you later. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done got this first car finally done. It didn't take us that long. I got my man Cal here with me. It was a little dirty from when I showed you, but she got a new car. I figured, you know, she having a kid, and like her boyfriend got a new car too, because he used to have an Acura. But you know how it go, when the money start stacking up, you level up a little bit. You know, ain't nothing wrong with getting something nice, but you see the wheels, nice and clean. Exterior of the car got that glow. Interior of the car looks good. You remember when we got it here, had dog hair all right here, had debris all in the car, dog hair on the seats, just stuff everywhere. But we got the car looking immaculate. She's definitely going to be enthused with the work like always, man. And you know, like I tell y'all, what makes it so easy is because we take so much pride in what we do. And like I say, if you take pride in what you do, the job is, like I said, easy. But if you don't, it become a hassle. Like I said, when I used to first start doing detailing like this, I used to literally spend 10 to 20 minutes trying to figure out how to clean the car, like where to start. But now I know what to do. I know how to go in there with the right utensils, right tools, just anything, and just whoop, whoop, bam. But like I said, we finna go ahead and go to the second stop. We already went to her house, but she wasn't there. She just called me, asking if we still coming. She literally left like 5 minutes from here. We're gonna go over there and knock that car out. This was my 2 o'clock appointment. We got here about 10. So the day all mixed up, because today, like I told you, is Memorial Day. But when y'all see this video, it'll be a week past Memorial Day. But like I always, do what y'all gotta do, and I'm gonna do what I gotta do, or I'm gonna do what I gotta do so you can do what you gotta do, man. Hit that subscribe button, man. Hit that subscribe button. I'm tired of y'all watching my videos. I'm seeing y'all watching, but y'all ain't subscribing, man. But I don't care, because y'all gonna get to that one day. But on that note, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done made it to the second appointment right now. We doing this what is this, Nissan Z70, some crazy car like this. I don't even think they make these anymore.
370Z.
Okay, 370Z. I don't even think they make these anymore. I haven't really seen any newer models, but I used to love these cars back in the day. They were very like sporty, very fast. I know a lot of people down here in Tennessee, they buy them and put all those modifications on them, offset the wheels, put them loud ass mufflers on them and stuff like this. I guess this is like a very modifiable Nissan, but don't have any back seats, so that's a good thing. So we're gonna go ahead and knock it out, give it a good wipe down, vacuum, clean all the cup holders, upholstery thing down like that, wipe off the seats real thoroughly, things like that. Go ahead and get it cracking. Then on the exterior, we're gonna go ahead and make sure we take care of the exterior nice. You wanna get it waxed and stuff like that. But we're gonna go ahead and get the job done like always, man. We take pride in what we do over here, so I hope you take pride in whatever you do, man. And like always, stick to the script, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail World, what it do? Y'all already know what it do, man. We didn't finish this second car today, which is this Nissan Z370. We got the car looking good. Remember, It was a little hazy looking. We got the paint looking good. Put a little wax on there. Did a little work in the interior. Not too much, 'cause like I said, it's not really a lot to do. It's just a basic two-seater car. So we got in there and hit it that zip, zip, zap, bam, things like that. But other than that, man, it's been a beautiful day. We got one more stop to go. We're gonna get out here, go knock out this last car, and continue this day. But I hope you're having a glorious day. Remember, find your passion. Do what you want. Don't do what others want you to do, man. You know what I mean? But on that note, man, like always, I'm gonna do what I gotta do, so do what you gotta do, or you do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. Leave a comment, share this video, and y'all let me know what y'all think about these cars I'm doing. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Tell world what it do, man. We made it to this last stop of the day. We doing this Mercedes thing. We already knocked out the exterior. Cal over there working on the interior. If you look at the wheels, they was pretty dirty, but we got them looking pretty good. This is a C300. Like I said, Cal working on the interior. Not that bad. You know what I mean? We already got majority of it done. So like I said, it's just probably about 5-10 minutes. I'm coming here, help wipe down the rest of the stuff. We get gone. It's Memorial Day, like I've been stating in the video. So I hope y'all enjoyed y'all Memorial Day. Hope y'all got some good barbecue, things like that. I'm about to go get me some barbecue now. But on that note, like always, like I'm always saying in every video, man, self-love is everything. So love thyself, man. Hug yourself, look in the mirror, kiss it, say I love you, all that, man. And like always, do what you gotta do. Cause y'all already know I'm gonna do what I gotta do. And shit. Peace.
If you're watching this, make sure you follow my boy, share all the stuff, subscribe, share it with your people, man. He's a voice of the streets, voice of the community, voice of business, voice of black culture, man. Make sure you're listening to your boy.